Hi, I'm Jeremy from Inner Results. If you're looking at this page, there's a good chance something in your life feels like it could be better. Not necessarily terrible, but maybe you've noticed certain patterns repeating. The same reactions, the same frustrations, or the sense that you're capable of more, but something keeps getting in the way. Future by Design is a 2-day personal development experience designed to help you step back and really understand how your mind works. Over the weekend, you'll take part in guided experiences and practical processes that help you recognize the patterns shaping your thinking and behavior. Many people tell us the most powerful part of the weekend isn't what they learn, but what they actually experience during the exercises. Because when you see the patterns clearly and gain a new perspective on past experiences, it becomes much easier to move forward with clarity and intention. If you feel ready to step back and gain some perspective and start creating the future you actually want, I'd love to have you join us, and you can find all the details about the weekend below.